One good thing about music: when it hits you, you feel no pain. Such powerful words from a man who used his music to heal, to inspire, and to unite. This man was none other than Robert Nesta Marley, popularly known as Bob Marley. Born on the 6th of February 1945 in the rural parish of St. Anne, Jamaica, Bob Marley was destined to become more than just a musician. His father, Norval Sinclair Marley, was a white Jamaican of English descent, and his mother, Cedella Booker, a black Jamaican. This mixed heritage played a critical role in shaping Marley's worldview and his music. In the mid-50s, Marley moved to Trenchtown, Kingston. Here, amidst the poverty and violence, Marley found his salvation in music. He formed a vocal group, the Wailers, with Bunny Wailer, Peter Tosh, and Junior Braithwaite in the early 60s. Their unique blend of ska, rocksteady, and reggae set them apart from other musical acts of the time. Bob Marley and the Wailers' breakthrough came in the early 70s with the album Catch a Fire. The album was a commercial success and propelled the group, and particularly Marley, into international stardom. Over the next decade, Bob Marley continued to produce music that resonated with people across the globe. His lyrics often reflected his beliefs in peace, unity, and his Rastafarian faith. In 1977, Marley was diagnosed with a type of malignant melanoma. Despite his illness, he continued to tour and record music, demonstrating his unwavering commitment to his craft. His final album, Uprising, featuring the hit Could You Be Loved, was released in 1980. Bob Marley passed away on the 11th of May, 1981, at the age of 36. His life, though short-lived, left an indelible impact on music and on the world. His posthumous album Legend became the best-selling reggae album of all time, and his music continues to inspire and influence artists to this day. Bob Marley once said, "The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively." This, in essence, was Bob Marley. His legacy is not just in his music, but in the message he spread through his music. A message of love, unity, and resilience. Today, Bob Marley is remembered not just as a musical icon, but as a symbol of peace and unity. His music transcended borders and barriers, bringing people together from all walks of life. And in a world where division often takes center stage, Bob Marley's music serves as a reminder that in the end, love is all we need. So, as we delve into the rhythm of his music, let us remember the man behind the melody, the man who believed in the power of music to heal, to inspire, and to unite. This was Bob Marley, a man, a musician, a legend. A voiceover. If you've enjoyed this journey through the life and legacy of Bob Marley and are eager to learn more about the fascinating stories behind the world's most influential people, don't forget to subscribe to Chris Diaz TV. By subscribing, you're not just joining a community of curious minds, but you're also ensuring that you don't miss out on any of our future explorations. Stay tuned for more, and remember, knowledge is power. Let's continue this learning journey together, one video at a time.